Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word resembled. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The painting closely resembled a photograph, with its intricate details and lifelike colors. Resembled means to have a similar appearance or quality to something else, often to the point of being nearly identical in resemblance. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.